Today, I'm going to show you how to get started with multilingual on Wix Studio. If you're looking to expand your website's reach to a global audience, adding multiple languages is one of the most effective ways to connect with visitors from different regions. Before we dive in, if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website to proceed to the next step. Now you'll be taken to a page where you can preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important moment to pause and make sure that this is actually the website you wish to add a multilingual feature to. If you manage multiple sites, double-checking now will save you time later. Once you've confirmed you're working with the right site, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it to move forward. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you can make changes to your site's design and functionality. From here, look for the Wix Studio menu located on the top left corner of your screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select Tools, then locate the Multilingual option and click on it. This is the hub where you'll manage all your language settings. A multilingual dashboard will now appear on your screen. This dashboard gives you complete control over the languages displayed on your site. To add a language, simply click on the plus Add Language button on the top right corner of this dashboard. This opens up the configuration options for your new language. To start, select the language you wish to add from the available list. After that, add the flag from the drop-down menu. This flag will help visitors quickly identify which language they're viewing. Now you have the option to manually translate the page or use machine translation. Do note that machine translation only has 5,000 free words, so if your site is content-heavy, you may need to manually translate or purchase additional credits. Then on the visibility drop-down, choose if you wish to have this language visible right away or keep it hidden while you work on translations. Once you've configured everything to your preference, click on Add Language. Your new language is now active and ready to be customized further if needed. And that's it. You've successfully set up multilingual functionality on your Wix Studio site, opening the door to a wider, more diverse audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.